I've slept in the gutter on a summer's day.
Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demo Graphics. Today I'm in South London Tooting at Yorkie's gym and managed to squeeze my little car in this space here. So I managed to park it here, and the scaffolding I'm going to be working on is going up against the doors, and I'm going to be working on this logo and we're going to be putting it up there above the doors. So it's going to be an interesting one today. I can't use a projector because it'd just be too crazy trying to project across the street in the daylight as well. It'd be just too much. Logistically it wouldn't work. So I'm going to get up on the scaffolding, sketch a doodle grid, and then use my phone app to photo impose the logo on top of the doodle grid.
Oh, I bum cigarettes in the night cafe.
Hey, so I'm up high, I've done the doodle grid. I'm on the scaffolding, spin. Got builders, car down there. It's quite difficult working at these conditions, but we'll get there. We've got diggers, and I've basically measured the width, which is 330, and half of 330 is 165, so that's my central point. If you look down here, I've marked it up as central point, and I've also marked it up here as well. I'm going to run spirit level down the centre, and then also do another spirit level across to make sure it's level, and then line up the logo on a sort of overlay app. Right, so behind me, look up there, I've got the doodle grid, I've got a horizon line, I've got the central line, and I've overlaid the design and made it transparent so I can see exactly where everything's going. I'm going to start sketching out the design onto the doodle grid now.
Oh, I joined the bread line.
So you can see, just using masking tape to get the letters proper, precise and crisp, and then I'm going to go around everything with some white masonry paint and just cut it all back and make it neat. As you can see, it's raining, building works, not very pleasant conditions. You can see the floor's wet, but yeah, we're still soldiering on. I got rained off earlier, but the sun's come out, so we're going to give it another shot. So I'm going to get back up on that scaffolding and do as much as I can. So back at it, doing the dumbbells now, and we've got one side up behind me. It stopped raining, so we're going to try and crack out the other side and then tidy it up with a bit of white paint. Right, so the logo's up. I'm just going to neaten it up now with a bit of white paint, and then we're good to go. Right, job done. Yorkie's gym, all hand painted, and we worked against the clock and the weather today to get this completed. Yeah, managed to get a very good likeness of the logo, considering we didn't have a projector, so it's all been done with a doodle grid. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.